Hi, friends. Ako si Hannah Kiambao. Just call me Hannah. Mm, nag, Nag-school ako sa Morales Elementary School. This is only a public. It's okay. I'm only a public student. And I'm living Parok, Parok Toscano, Barangay Morales, City Fernandel, South Cotabato, sa Region 12 NBI. Yun, tsaka yung number ng house namin, number 50. Okay? At tsaka, yung gate namin, color light blue. Oo, light blue lang siya. And it's mainly plus, that's all. Come here in our house. At tsaka, gusto ko lang malaman, gusto ko kayo maging friends. I want more friends of all of you. Okay, may papakita ko sa inyo. Friends, actually my cousin. Okay, to see you.
Hello.
Say hello, Oh, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm April. I'm
Natayutan ko pala. I'm also 11 years old. Sure. Eto na siya. It's you already? It's not already. Okay. Ikuso muna tayo. She called my name. She was already okay, April. Gusto niyo malaman boses ko? Okay. Ano na lang? Sorry. Sorry na kung nagalit ka. Di naman sinasadya. Gawin na sabi man ako. Init ng ulo, pilitin kong magbago. Kung para sa'yo, sorry na talaga. Huwag ko medyo tanga. Hindi ako nag-isip noong una hanggang sorry na. Sorry na. Bye-bye. Just only.
Bye.
Bye-bye.